So I don't really know what I'm showing for this video. I mean, obviously I can add a new category, and so add a category, it's going to say that. And if I go and I turn off no validation, add category, it's going to do this. And then it still allows me to add a category. I'm not going to do that, but I'm going to go back. And then to add a new product, I have it will go through each one, and it does go through each one. Um, and I guess I can show you that this one actually works. Product name, we'll just do product name, and then add product. Okay, fill out this one. Product description, and then add product. Since these are auto-filled, they'll do that, but I've got it so it does allow decimals, and then we can do 12. All of these can allow decimals, like if I do 0.9, 12, and then location, and then it's still saying, yeah, so it does it on all of them. Add product, okay, primary material. So now it's all filled out, and so I should be able to add a product. So it added a product, and if I come here and then go to inventory, and come down and go over and go down to the bottom, this is the one we just added. Yeah. So now if I go back to add product and I turn off the no validate and add product, it does come up with this. So it is working on both of those ends. And then my nav bar, it works. And so that's a function. And I don't know how to show that, but I'll show you the code. So I've got this nav list, nav bar categories, and then I've got a function that basically you get the categories out of categories, and you do exactly what we were doing in all of them, but just here. So now they each call this instead of make it from scratch like you wanted. Oh, I need to validate. Okay, so to validate, we'll validate this one. Validate local HTML. No warnings. So, and then add category. Validate HTML. No warnings. So we're good, and the CSS is the same as always, so it works. But I think that's my project for this week. Thank you so much, and